It can affect how the resin sets. You do want to pour pretty much exactly equal amounts. Your container's ready. Set up your workstation, because mixing and pouring the resin doesn't actually take that long. Just mix it around. You need to mix all the sides, all the bottoms and the corners, and it's just like stirring a cup of tea. Don't do it too vigorously. You'll create too many bubbles. They say about 3 minutes, but I don't think it's that long. And you'll notice that it runs a little bit murky. So that's like that chemical reaction taking place. So it's what colours you want, and then how much resin you want of each little colour. It's kind of guesswork, like, so you just, just guess how much you need of each. So the ones in the little tubes are like an ink, and they're translucent, so you can see through them, kind of like that one up there, where it kind of gives a 3D effect. So that's what those will do. There's also powders, which usually have a bit of shimmer in them, so that's a bit silver, and you mix that in there. So as resin self-levels, you really need to, I guess, be a bit particular as to where you put your colours, and because you might find that you put a colour on and then it will, because you've put so much resin here, it'll just run off and you'll lose all your colour. So it does take a long time to learn how the colours work and how to get the outcome that you want, and how long it takes to set. So as you're mixing all the colours and the resin, it gets a lot of air in it, a lot of bubbles, and this is to pop all those bubbles through the resin. I use the heat gun because it can actually move the resin around and create lots of different effects. And all this does is pop the air bubbles, which I don't know if you'll be able to see. You need to use the heat gun to pop the bubbles, but you don't have to go to this, I guess, setting of 2. If you're happy with how it looks when you just use the setting, then I'd probably leave it.